iQOO has finally announced the launch date for the iQOO 11 lineup. The series is all set to debut in the China and the Malaysia market on December 2nd this year. Now, to tell you that the Vivo sub-brand has officially revealed the design of the upcoming lineup, which is believed to include the standard iQOO 11, iQOO 11 Pro, and iQOO 11 Legend. Now, according to the first look reveals that this iQOO 11 series model will feature, it will come with the triple rear cameras. Additionally, it confirmed that the Vivo V2 image signal processor, which is the ISP, would be packed with the iQOO 11 series. Now, on the back, it also has 3 stripes that are inspired by the BMW Motorsport. Now, going by a recent report, the standard iQOO 11 would include a 6.78-inch E6 AMOLED panel with a quad HD plus resolution and will come with 144 Hz of refresh rate and a 300 Hz of touch sampling rate. The handset is expected to be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 system on chip with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. To talk about the camera specifications, well, it might come with a 16 megapixel selfie camera for video chats and selfies. On the rear, the iQOO 11 will be sporting a 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup. It could come with a 5000 mAh battery that could support 120 watt of fast charging. The iQOO 11 may boot Origin OS 3.0 skin on top of Android 13. A recent report also states that the vanilla iQOO 11 will also be launched in Malaysia on the same day, which is December 2nd this year. The company will host a launch event in Malaysia from between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. on their local time, and iQOO has not provided any kind of information about the lineup's global availability. Now, to go by the anticipation, the iQOO 11 is supposed to arrive in India in January next year. Now, going by the original official iQOO 11 series image, the lineup will pack a Vivo V2 ISP. Additionally, a triple rear camera arrangement will also be there. Now, in terms of this lineup, other details the company has kept mum about it. So this is something that we are desperately waiting for from the iQOO 11. Let's see on December 2nd what all things gonna happen and how the phone's gonna turn out. For India launch, we have to wait for that as well. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.